you don't have many of these online.
No.
With the strap.
Nope, I don't have any actually.
No, I haven't seen any videos.
Okay, stretch, nice, relax. Ooh-wee! That was some serious healing. I heard that one. How deep down was that one?
I was down past my thoracic today.
Yeah, that was deep. Nice. Okay, on your stomach. Nice deep breath in here, Chris. Oh, well. Good. Oh boy, that's a little tight. There we go. I think I stole the fire out of that with the strap. Okay, good. This side, up here towards me, we can adjust your low back. Nice. Oh, another side there. Oh, good. Nice, relax. Oh, that was tight to there. Good. There be a healing zone.
All right. Thank you, sir.
Power's on.